Soul family, come walk Antigua with me for a few minutes. The city is kind of unreal. Every direction you turn, there's a ruin, a church, a volcano, someone selling fruit, a guy on a scooter, and then suddenly, a 400-year-old doorway that looks like it belongs in another timeline. It's one of those places where history doesn't feel dead, it feels layered. Honestly, I've been mostly focused on work here, and in my downtime, walking, observing, listening. No huge agenda, just letting the place speak a little, and it has. One thing I keep noticing is how Antigua doesn't hide its damage. A lot of places modernize over everything. Here, the cracks stay visible. Churches partially collapsed from earthquakes are just part of the city now. And weirdly, it makes the place feel more human. Like, yeah, things break sometimes, people too, and life still continues around it. There's something comforting about that. This ruin was one of my favorite places. You walk through here and it's a quiet in a different way, not empty quiet, more like reflective quiet. Plants growing through old stone, birds echoing through broken ceilings, these beautiful round portals to the sky. And meanwhile, tourists are wandering around taking selfies 5 feet away, which honestly is kind of perfect metaphor for modern life. Half sacred experience, half camera roll. I've had a lot of moments here where I just stop and think, what actually matters now? Not performative goals, not pressure, not proving things, just peace, clarity, meaningful work, people you love, a stable place to sleep, and enough presence to actually experience your own life while you're living it. That feels more real to me lately than a lot of the noise. And then there's this bridge, the famous yellow bridge. The nuns used to cross through here without entering the public streets. And I don't know why, but I love things like this. Little hidden pathways through the city, secret architecture. It reminds me that every place has invisible layers most people never notice. Honestly, people are like that too. Everybody's carrying inner worlds you'd never see just walking past them on the street. Also, Antigua has been making me laugh a little bit because every day here somehow becomes, I'll just go for a short walk and then suddenly an hour disappears. You find a courtyard, a rooftop, a tiny coffee place, a weird old doorway, a procession, a dog sleeping in the middle of the street like he owns the city. And honestly, he probably does. I've also been thinking a lot about the feeling of home lately, not in the big dramatic sense, just the feeling of exhaling when you close a gate behind you. Like, okay, I can rest for a minute now. I think a lot of us have been carrying more than we realized the past few years, so these small moments start to matter more. A quiet room, a safe place, a little bit of stillness. All right, soul family, more soon.